What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set of another shoot. This is going to be a fun one tonight. I'm here at a makeup school. I'm not going to get my makeup done tonight, but we're going to photograph some of the students. We're going to help build their portfolio. Tonight is really cool. The theme is sugar skulls, so I can't wait to see what they come up with, but that's the interesting thing. All right, this is like a Top Gear, DigiRev kind of type challenge. I don't know any of the models, don't know any of the makeup artists. They gave me a space to work in. It's maybe 7 feet by 10 feet. Got a gray painted wall, a little bit of black paper up there. What would you do in this situation? Like, it's real easy to sit on your couch and second guess what the photographer does in the video, but as it stands right now with what you see right here, what would you do? All right, I've got a plan. I'm gonna unpack some of my stuff. And we'll go from there, but like, I'm looking forward to this. Like, sometimes you got to do different things like this to push yourself. You can't just keep going out and photographing like models on the beach, or, you know, in booty shorts, or weddings all the time, or whatever it is. You got to like get out of your comfort zone to kind of push yourself as an artist, and that's what we're doing tonight. So come along the journey and let's see what happens. All right, here's the one part where I cheat. All right, I brought a little bit of red seamless paper from home and some painter's tape. Let me rethink this. All right, that was a lot of trouble, but hopefully it's worth it. I think this red background looked really cool with some sugar skulls. Seen Lindsay Adler do better with worse, so I think I can make something work with this. Silver umbrella on this wall, split lighting. Coming this way, hair light, maybe a little bit of light on the background since the main light won't be hitting it. But then for some of the shots, maybe we will bring the main light around and shoot it directly. I don't know. Like, we'll make this up as we go, and we shall see. All right, and that's the end of the shoot. Hope you learned a lot. I did. Like, it was so much fun. I got to try split lighting for a change. Like, that's something I never do with, like, you know, weddings or headshots or anything like that, because, you know, the idea of just lighting half of someone's face, like, you rarely see that anywhere. When we didn't do the split lighting, we did a little bit of, like, traditional stuff, frontal lighting with, you know, a little bit of light on the background. It's almost kind of like a headshot in a way. And I even used some of the headshot techniques in terms of, like, you know, sticking your chin out, you know, other little things like that, and it still worked because, I mean, after all, it's portraiture. But it's so much fun working with, like, young creatives that are, like, you know, honing and learning their craft, and, you know, there's an excitement there when it's like they did something and I was able to, like, you know, take a good picture of it, and it's like they get excited, I get excited, like, it's fun. And I suggest you do more of it. You need to do more personal shoots for yourself. A lot of times you do all these jobs and you get in a rut because you know what you're going to deliver and what the client expects or whatever. But it's just fun doing a shoot where you don't know what to expect, where you don't know what the end result's going to look like. I mean, you have some ideas in mind, but, like, this was fun. Anyway, hit that notification bell, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you want your photos to look right, hey, subscribe, watch my videos. Take care, see you at the next one. Peace.